Dear Mommy, I love when you give me snuggles and kiss my boo-boos. From Washington, D.C. What the fuck? What the fuck, dude? Next fan mail today. Bro, what the fuck? W mom leaked. Yeah, bro, it's a leak. I'm a mom. Chad, do these look like milkers to you? No, don't answer that. Never mind. Actually, don't answer that. Bro, what is this? How do you see the... What is this? Pepperoni nips. You look skinny, Jinxie. Thank you.